back here, and I'm going to start by unplugging the hose. There's a little clip here, the white clip. Just push it out and then pull the hose up as you hold the locking clip. Push that way. That's what unlocks it. And then the electrical connector is right behind it over here. Push this tab back and then lift up at the same time in order to unlock the electrical connector. Okay. Pull that off. Behind here, there's an 8mm bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that, and that's what's gonna release this from the intake. Okay, there's the bolt, and now we can pull this straight up and out. The original piece had this here, so we'll just transfer it over to the new one, just like that. Grab the new purge valve, line it up, and drop it down. It should basically just fall into place in there. Now with it in, make sure you press it down to ensure that it is seated fully, and then we'll start in the mounting bolt and then tighten that up. Let's make sure that this is nice and tight. Now we can go ahead and connect the electrical connector. Press that down, take the hose, and press this down also until it clicks into place. I'm trying to pull this back out. If it's not coming out, that means it's locked in, and the job is done.